Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our Euro GBP. So if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. So let's start with our trend on Euro GBP. We want to zoom it out to understand the overall trend. At first, we were trending down. That was previously we were trending down. Right now, our overall trend is an uptrend move. So that means we are on a bullish move. But when you go zoom it in, you will see that our current trend is a ranging market move here. So we would want to trade what market is doing currently. So we add that drop to our support. Then markets came back to tap our resistance, eventually to tap our support. Markets eventually came to tap our resistance. Now, if you take a look at it, there was a mini ranging market move that formed here. By the way, we will still expect it to sell to come tap our support level. That is the overall. But right now, markets has eventually broken out and tapped this major resistance level. It broke out of this mini resistance, which is more visible for our time frame. This is the mini resistance level. Markets eventually give us a breakout to tap our major resistance. Now our forecast for the week on Euro GBP is a sell to the downward. So we will be expecting a bearish move this week on Euro GBP. So if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, follow. If you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button to stay updated. I'll give you guys back-to-back updates.